This isn't cow's milk, it's camel milk.
Welcome
And turning it into cheese is far more difficult than almost anyone realizes.
Exactly how fresh camel milk becomes one of the rarest cheeses on earth. From healthy camels in the desert, some of these methods are unlike anything used for the finished product.
Before a single drop is collected, every camel is carefully fed, monitored, and health checked using modern dairy technology. Each camel enters a fully automated milking station, where fresh milk begins its journey through a sealed food-grade system. The milk is immediately filtered and laboratory tested. Only batches that pass every quality check continue forward. Next comes pasteurization, where precise temperatures eliminate harmful bacteria while preserving the milk's natural quality. Now comes the hardest part. Camel milk doesn't naturally form cheese like cow's milk, so specialized cultures and enzymes are carefully added. Over time, the liquid slowly transforms into a delicate gel, creating the fragile curd that will become camel cheese. Thousands of razor-thin stainless steel wires slice the curd into perfectly even cubes, releasing the golden whey trapped inside. The curds are gently drained until they reach the perfect moisture level, creating the texture needed for premium cheese. The fresh curds are molded and pressed with carefully controlled pressure, giving every cheese its final shape. A precise layer of salt enhances the flavor, protects the cheese, and prepares it for the next stage. Weeks of carefully controlled aging slowly develop the rich texture, aroma, and distinctive character that make camel cheese so unique. Every finished cheese is scanned, inspected, vacuum sealed, labeled, and packaged before leaving the production line. Refrigerated trucks keep every wheel perfectly chilled as it travels from the desert dairy to stores and restaurants. After an incredible journey from healthy camels to a premium delicacy, the cheese is finally ready to be enjoyed around the world. Would you try camel cheese? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe for more incredible factory documentaries.